Hello, welcome back. Let's do some physics. Let me present you a problem which I'm not going to solve today, but I want you to start thinking about it. Consider James Bond, who is driving his fabulous Aston Martin, and Q, the engineer of the Secret Service. Q wants to make one experiment, but needs the ability of 007 and a fast car. Q wants James Bond to drive fast towards a garage with an entrance door and an exit door, both open. The car is 5 meters long and the garage is 4 meters long. Of course, Q has taken relativity and knows that the Aston Martin will be contracted in the direction of motion. If James drives at 60% of the speed of light, the 5 meters at rest will be 4 meters, so the car can fit into the garage. To make sure this is so, Q will fire two powerful laser beams right when the car is inside the garage. Because the car is just the same length as the garage, thanks to Lorentz contraction, both laser beams will be fired for an instant of time at the same time, and the car will not be hit by the laser. Nothing will happen to the car and James Bond will continue his quest for the nearest pub. But James Bond is a smart guy. He has also studied special relativity. From his point of view, he says, I am at rest in the reference frame of my Aston Martin. It is the garage that comes towards me at 60% of the speed of light. The garage is originally 4 meters long, but due to Lorentz contraction, it is actually 3.2 meters. The car does not fit in the garage, and both laser beams will impact the car, destroying it and killing me. No way I'm into this. So now the question for you. Will 007 survive this experiment? Who is right, Q or James Bond? The answer to this in coming lessons.